So Tesla right now is down 2.5%. So you can see Tesla has a long ways to go to get back to yesterday, which ended at 179.82. So basically in your head, you're looking at 180 to the upside, right? Before it even gaps to yesterday. So same thing here. If we're mapping this out, 173.82 is the yank, right? That's where the bottom falls out. You can ride that put. Now up here where there's most traffic. So right here, I would start looking at a long around this 176.87. So if this gets a short squeeze out of the open above 176.87, that's when I want to start looking at it to the long side. Let me get rid of all this other stuff. I'm looking at middle of the road, which is basically where it's at. You can see right here, it's touching all of these lines. So this right here is your current resistance. Everybody see it? So basically we're watching for current resistance, just like everything we do. If this breaks to the upside, I'll start to look long at 176.87.